Overnight, gold surged to a fresh record high, and we're seeing a bit of a pullback in US stock indices. Want to know more? Keep watching. Hello, I'm David and this is Trading Today. Yes, overnight we saw gold surge to its highest level ever. It closed out on Friday at a record closing level, 2072. It has traded higher than that, but it hasn't closed higher than that. And then in Asian Pacific trading, where the liquidity is quite low, volumes are fairly low, we saw it surge up to 21.48 before pulling back sharply to unchanged, in fact slightly down on the day. Now, as I say, illiquidity will have played a part in this. Obviously, when you get a close above an old record high, that will encourage some distressed shorts to come in and cover their positions. Also some fresh buying, and that's exactly what we saw for that big rally in gold, up about 3.7%. Silver was up about 1.5% as well. So a lot of activity in precious metals going on at the moment. And I think my forecast for the rest of the year and going into 2024 is we can expect more volatility from these two as well. I think investor interest is finally getting peaked once again after years of those metals being in the doldrums. Now, the other thing we're seeing today is a bit of a pullback across US stock indices in particular. Now, bear in mind that on Friday at the close there, both the Dow and the NASDAQ closed at their highest levels since mid-January 2022, nearly 2 years ago. Now, they are not far from hitting their all-time highs. In fact, the Dow is only about 1.5% away from doing that. I think the NASDAQ's around 4% below its all-time high. But you can see that there is this sort of feeling that can they get there before Christmas or early into the new year. Now, one of the things that's holding them back, however, is the S&P. It's a bit of a problem child here. It hasn't got above its summer's peak of 4607, and it needs to break above this level of resistance around 4600 to 4610 significantly for it to achieve liftoff and then challenge its all-time record high as well, just over 4800. Now, if it can't do that, that might be a little bit of a dampener on the overall market going forward. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this of interest. If you did, please like and follow, and best of luck with your trading. Goodbye.